Hi, my name is John, and what I want to show you now is how the marketing plan works. How do we earn the money? I mean, you might have already heard some stories of some of our distributors, some part-time, some more full-time, and wondering, well, how exactly does it work? So I want to give you an overview. And there's two main ways that we make money. We retail product to customers, and we develop a distributor base. So right now, I want to talk about the customer base, okay? And, you know, our products, they range in value, in price, even in currency, because we're all over the world. We're in over 90 countries. So what we have what we call volume points, which are assigned to each product. So as people move up our marketing plan, because as you sell more product, get more clients, that's going to develop more volume points, and that pushes you up the plan. For example, you start out at 25%, okay, profit, and then you can work yourself up to a 35% profit, 42%, and finally 50%. And I'll describe that in a second. So as you sell more product, as your team sells more product, for example, when they sell a 500 over a month or two, you're at 35%. You know, 1,000, 42%. And then finally, when 4,000 volume points, and the average sale could be, boy, it could be anywhere from $50 to $150, but let's take 100. Just for this example of the marketing, let's keep it easy math, okay? $100, so that's equates to about, what, 35, 40 clients or so, all right? Once you do that in a month or 2 months or a year, you're now a supervisor, we call you, at 50%. So, for example, let's just say you get a client and you sell a program. And we have something called earn base because, and you know, we'll get into more depth in the marketing. I'm trying to keep it simple right now. But let's say the product that you sell is about $100 earn base worth of product. So if you're at 25% profit, you know, you're going to make approximately about $25. As you move up, you know, and remember, the results aren't always typical. There's no guarantees here. But as you're more consistent, you move up the plan. When you get up and sell a $100 program and you're a supervisor at 50%, you're now going to make $50 on that earn base approximately. And you say, well, how the heck do you find the clients? Well, you find the clients by people that you know. They're going to, especially because, you know, one of the things we always want to impress upon people is use the product. You have to believe in the product. You have to feel the product. And, you know, as you get results, you know, personally I lost 12 pounds. But as you get results, people are going to say, what are you doing? Okay, and then you're going to get referrals from them. And we have a whole menu that will show you where we have trainings on boot camp, fit camps, we have nutrition clubs, we have wellness profiles, we have sampling that goes on. There's many ways, house parties, so many ways that we find clients, introduce the product, and develop a client base. So now, again, just for easy math, so you've worked up to getting, you know, that 30 to 40 clients or so. You're at a 50% profit. So again, on that $100, that would be approximately a $50 profit. So you find 10 clients in a month, that's $500 in income. Find 20, that's $1,000. And again, there's no guarantees on what you're going to do, because I know when I got started, they said, look, you know, they showed us, you know, the plan. They said, you know what you have to do? You have to be willing to work, okay? You have to really want to make a change, and you have to be teachable, okay? And as you learn, you develop a skill set, you're going to find that you will find clients as long as you work consistently. You know, you have that passion, that energy, and again, how it works is pretty simple. 25 to 50% profit on your client. At that $100, you see what happens. So here's the first area of income, retail profit, okay? We'll show you all the specifics shortly.